أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum. In this series, inshallah, I would like to discuss various hadiths from the chapter of Dua from Sahih al-Bukhari, which is considered to be the most authentic book of hadith that we have in our ummah. Our religion is based on combination of both Quran and hadith. So, our religion is incomplete without hadiths. At first, I would like to discuss the importance of hadiths, and then I would like to have a small discussion about Imam Bukhari and his famous book Sahih al-Bukhari. According to Surah An-Nisa, Ayat 65, for any disputed matter, if a person have iman in his heart, he must make Rasulullah ﷺ as the judge over that matter, and he must not feel any difficulty or discomfort in submitting to the judgment or solution as declared by Muhammad ﷺ. Without hadith, how can we make him ﷺ as the judge over those disputed affairs? If we consider Ayat 59 of the same Surah An-Nisa, we must obey Allah and His Messenger ﷺ unconditionally. After that, if there is any disagreement over something, even that disagreement came from the authority above us, which goes against Allah and His Messenger ﷺ, that is the Quran and the Sunnah. If we truly have iman over Allah and the Day of Judgment, we have to follow the Quran and the Sunnah for the ultimate solution. In Surah Ali Imran, Ayat 31, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us that if we love Allah, we should follow His Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will love us and forgive our sins. In Surah Al-Hashr, Ayat 7, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us that if the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam tells us to do anything, we must do it. And whatever he has declared to be forbidden or haram, they are haram, as if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala himself made it haram for us, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has delegated this right to our Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam by this ayat. One should not reject hadith, arguing that he is not sure whether they are rightly preserved or not. It is a common sense argument that since Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala requires us to follow the Sunnah, He must have preserved it in overall sense, in its entirety. How can we expect to follow the Sunnah in this age and time and till the end of time? The answer is, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has preserved in overall the hadiths, the messages, and the seerah of the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam for us and for the later upcoming generations to follow them.